right? So it's not about the ratios. What is the use when you are losing, you lose 10 times and then you win one and then say risk to reward covers that? To me, that's bullshit, bro. That's bullshit. I don't waste my time like that. I don't waste my time trading that nonsense. I don't do risk to reward. I just trade. In fact, all these English people are speaking like this to that, trade management and all. I don't understand it. You understand? I just I just enter the market. What I understand about trade management is when I'm in profit, I take some out and then start moving my stop loss to break even or moving it as a trailing stop. That is what I know about trade management. Any other grammar you are speaking me, I don't know it. I don't know that one at all because my attitude on demo is quite different on life, and that is what I translate. So if you are using indicator to trade, please use it as long as it is working. Okay, use it in confluence with your technical analysis. There's this guy they call Vedu. I think project on YouTube. I've forgotten his name. The guy is very popular on YouTube. Something Melonia project. I've forgotten the guy's name, but it's somebody Verdu, somebody like that. The guy uses Ichimoku. That is the only thing he uses on his chart. He said, if you even watch his video, he will tell you that he's not very intelligent. He doesn't know much about trading. He's not a very good trader, but he's just using this. The guy makes crazy sum of money. How about Mamba? Go and find out about Mamba. Mamba doesn't do all this your ICT you do. Mamba trades with indicator. All right. I'm not even talking about people like Q Banks and many of them who use this indicator to trade and makes shitload of money. And the other people who just use support and resistance who have mastered their mindset. So it's not about your strategy is better than mine. Mine is better than yours. If you are my student, you are using indicator. Me, I don't use it, right? Except on some simple occasion when I want to confirm a trend, I just use 10 moving average on the 1 month, right? Because the 10 moving average on the 1 month is very, very effective. If price is above 10, just know that the price is bullish and it's going to be bullish for long. So once I see that, I just know that from that, once I see that 1 month, all my chart is above the 10 moving average or below 10 moving average, I just know what the market is. I don't need to do another analysis. I'm saying that because you are in the mentorship. Okay, that is just how it's so any other analysis I'm doing, knowing in my mind that okay, this price is above 10 moving average, I just know that I should just be making analysis to favor the bullish side. Not that I will not take sell. I can take sell in between, but I just know that the overall trend is bullish because on the monthly, on the weekly, the price is above 10 EMA. Simple. Then when I come to the lower time frame, I can now use EMA 21 to confirm more entries. Those ones, I hope I remember to teach that. So is it about having stops? One thing about this thing, I don't know. I'm not an authority to say anything about this. But for me, from my experience and where I am coming from, I do not use stop loss. I do not use it. I have already set up my mind that whatever happens to me in the market is as a result of my decision. So if you are using stop loss, fine, you can go ahead and use it. I'm not stopping you. But if you are my student and you want to do well, using stop loss is a waste of time. The market will end up stopping you out and go your way. That is just it. Because 9 out of 10 times I am correct. My analysis is correct 9 times out of 10 times. Or 8 out of 10 times. I cannot be wrong 10 over 10. Never. The reason why people are wrong is because they keep hitting stop loss. So they tell themselves they are wrong. That is a wrong and a very bad mindset. When price hits your stop loss, you tell yourself you are wrong. But price actually went your way and kept going and kept going. The thing now is you cannot jump in again because your brain has been damaged. Your brain has been locked. In this case now, you are afraid to enter again because you think you are going to make another loss. So what is the use of a stop loss when you already know where price is going? All you just have to do is to manage your risk. Start with the lowest risk. Start it. When the market begins to go, max out. It's as simple as that. You need to hit this thing, man. Hit it hard. You want to make money, make money. If you don't want to trade, you need to sell ice cream. This jungle is not for the fearful. This jungle is not for the careful. Also, this jungle is for the fearless. This jungle is for people who are carefree, people who have the heart to take trades. All right? You need to have hearts to take trades. That's all I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? You get it now. So it's not about having stop. You are just doing yourself a great disservice, putting stop loss always. My brother, the thing is, the banks are seeing your stop loss. The brokers are seeing it. They will move price there. They will clear all the stops and then move the way they want to go. Let me tell you something. Banks do not use stop loss. Just know that. The banks don't use it. And you say, oh, they have large sum of money, so like that. My friend, if you learn how to trade, you will know where to enter the trade. And the trade will not the pullback will not eat your capital. If you know how to do it, of which I'm going to show you in this video. But I need to correct your mindset. You need to understand this. If you don't, sorry, I cannot help you. Listen to this now. The human mind does not like simple stuff. Are you hearing? The mind thinks the harder and more complicated or more sophisticated you keep your approach, the more successful you should become. This is a lie. This is a lie in the mind. You don't have to do complicated or very sophisticated stuff to look successful. Success, especially in trading, comes from doing very simple stuff. Okay? It comes from doing very, very simple stuff. So you need to understand the power of simplicity. You know, when I started trading newly, there was this guy I used to follow, Nia Fuller. It's called Nia Fuller. I mean, if you don't know that guy, just go and watch him. That was the guy that taught me trading. In fact, when I was growing up, you know, when you grow up without mentorship, you will grow up in darkness for a while. So I left this guy, kept studying other things. I studied plenty things. After 4 years, I came back to him again. I came back to Niafula and started studying again all his chart. And I saw that this guy is so rich, very rich. In fact, winning a competition for $1 million, only trading support and resistance. Just trading simple things. He won a competition, beat every other person doing any other thing, beat everybody. So it is not how complicated it is. Say no to that thing your mind is telling you. I mean, this guy knows how to analyze chart. Wow, look at where he draw the line. How did they know price will get? My friend, you don't need all that. Are you getting me? Focus on doing simple stuff. And then you will succeed. Now, always keep your trade simple. Do only simple stuff. That is where the money is. The money is in simplicity. The money is in simplicity. You will see how simple my chart is. Very simple. You can make 1,000 to how many people you want to make. If you just follow simple rules. It's simple, guys. So the big question, what is the foundation of technical analysis? This is our next class. So see you in the next class. I hope some of you are not offended. If you're offended, well, you are in the mentorship already. That is the way I look at the market. You just have to be rugged. You just have to be engage this thing. Just engage it. Two things can only happen to you. You win or you lose. It's as simple as that. Start risking what you can afford to lose. If you put $10, max out. If you lose $10, it will not pay you. If it is $100, you are capable of put it and max out. But don't max out blindly. Nowhere to enter. Okay? Nowhere to enter. Once price gets to that place, enter number one. If you see that it's going, max out the remaining position. You can turn $100 to 1,000 in just few seconds or in few minutes if you know what you are doing. You get it now. See you in the next class.